Hello and welcome to Prop Tiger's Right to Home online event, where we will connect prospective home buyers with reputed developers and their top projects across the country. I am your host Surbhi Gupta, and to help you pick the best property options in Gurgaon, we have with us esteemed panelists from Shapoorji Pallonji Group who will answer some of the most pertinent queries related to their project in the region. I would like to welcome Mr. Atif Khanna. Welcome. From Prop Tiger, we have Mr. Deepak Dureja. Now I would request a panelist to introduce the company that they're representing. Over to you, Mr. Khanna.
Hello everyone, this is Atif Khanna and I represent Shapoorji Pallonji here. So I've been working with this company for last 3 years and I've worked with Shapoorji Pallonji into their sales team. And I work closely, dream of probably buying a residential abode for themselves, which they can proudly call our home.
Thank you, Mr. Khanna. Mr. Dureja, please introduce the company you're presenting.
Hi, Surbhi. Hi, Atif. Hello, everyone. Thank you so much for joining in. Well, Prop Tiger is one name which always comes to the mind when a customer is looking out for buying a house for themselves, a dream home. In the best of the deal, best of the location when they are looking for. So they definitely drop in their queries with PropTiger.com, and PropTiger.com has served more than 25,000 home buyers, and needless to say, they have been very, very satisfied so far, and they have got best of the service, best of the deals from PropTiger.com. So we started in 2011. Today we are in 2021. So this is one company which has set bars as far as client servicing is concerned, as far as working with the top developers are concerned. So here comes PropTiger.com.
Thank you, Mr. Dureja. Before we begin, let me show you some glimpses of Shapoorji Pallonji's Joyville project in Gurgaon, your maybe future home. Here's a video for all our viewers.
I lost you in between. So.
interested, there's a lot more to come. Now, let's begin our session. Mr. Khanna, tell us about your project in Gurgaon and how is the progress going?
Joyville is the first project by Shapurji Palonji as a real estate developer. And this was launched almost 2 years back. And that was the time when the phase one of this project came in. And I can probably quote it very proudly that the phase one construction is already underway and we have already finished with almost the 65 to 70% of the work. So structure of all the towers which were launched 2 years back is underway and we are expecting the phase one delivery by mid of next year. So it will probably be a record, maybe within the Corona times as well. We have tried to stick to our schedules and the phase one delivery is going to come almost 6 months before the stipulated time. And off late, we have launched the last phase of the property. So we have launched two new towers. One of them is named AIM, other is Iris. And we have recently started the sales for both the towers and they're also going at a swift pace.
Wow, that's great. Mr. Dureja, I want to know more about this location. What are the benefits of investing in a location like this and how investors will be reaping benefit in this location, Sector 102 Gurgaon? What would you like to say about this?
So, Surabhi, there is a very interesting story of this location. The story is, that this location was launched way back in 2007. Mm-hmm. Okay, 2007, the Dwarka Expressway, so-called a huge dream project of NCR was introduced, and due to some reason, some political reasons, or at times villagers did not give their land. So there were various reasons due to which it could not get complete on time, and it has been delaying since a long time. So now today, as we speak, we are in 2021. So finally, the Prime Minister of India had to really come out and had to issue a statement that finally this is going to be delivered by max by September 2020. So recently, last month, it was there in the news. So as the story goes, a lot of development has come up in the zone. Top developer from the country, Shapurji is definitely one of them. The most renowned name in the infrastructure industry in India is already there. So when you have names like Shapurji available, so you can really bet upon the zone. So definitely you can expect some good appreciation coming in if you are an investor. You can expect some good connectivity in the zone if you are an end user. If you are going to stay there, it is very well connected to Delhi. It is very well connected to the international airport. So this is definitely a zone to bet upon today. Because soon it will be delivered, and work is going at a very, 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 very fast pace.
Wow, that's great. Mr. Khanna, so Shapurji Palonji is a huge brand. So I want to know about Joyville, like what are the USPs of the project and what is that one thing that home buyers like the most about your projects?
See, first of all, so the very first striking point which will always excite the home buyers is the brand assurance which Shapurji Palonji comes with. And second thing would be the internal construction and execution standards. So whenever a person is out in the market trying to explore any reasons for him, there are two apprehensions which come in the mind of the customer. One would be delivery timelines, whether the developer has the financial backbone to probably sustain next 4 to 5 years and deliver the property in time. So when it comes to us, as I mentioned, in our case, we are the land owners. So this land in Sector 102 is owned by Shapurji Palonji. Secondly, Shapurji Palonji is the developer here as well. Thirdly, the point which I mentioned about the execution standards, most of the people are not aware that DLF Cyber City, which is the biggest commercial hub of Delhi NCR, was constructed by Shapurji Palonji for DLF. So in our project, this is the same company, which is Shapurji Palonji Engineering and Construction. He is doing the construction work for us again. And as I mentioned in my last discussion as well, we are running almost 5 months ahead of the schedule. So these 2 points, one is the in-house construction, which probably none of the developers have ever offered in Gurgaon, and the backbone by Shapurji, financial backing, plus the genesis, because in our case, we also get equity funding from Asian Development Bank, World Bank, and Standard Chartered. So these three big organizations have already put their money with us, and we jointly are promoting and luxury housing segment by the name of Joyville throughout the country. So prior to Gurgaon launch, which came in, we already have Joyville named properties running in Pune, Mumbai, and Kolkata as well. And few of the projects, the possession has already started as well.
Wow, that's great. So, Mr. Dureja, Gurgaon is primarily a high-end property market. So, since the cost of investment is really very high, what is your take on ROI in terms of rent generation? What would you like to say about that?
See, when you talk about rental in real estate, okay, in especially residential real estate, if you're talking about, it always ranges between 2.5% to 3%.
Right.
Beat the property anywhere. This is majorly the standard rental across the country, as a matter of fact. So depending upon the ticket size and the size of the investment, I guess again one can expect this kind of ROI here as well. But at the same time, one can definitely look forward to a good appreciation in the coming time. So I think next 5 years, one can really expect good returns coming in, because expressway will be starting, all developments will be delivered, Shapurji will be delivered by then, the whole project. So one can expect good return on their investment coming in as far as price appreciation is concerned. And yes, at the vis-a-vis, the rental will also go smooth as per its own pace.
Okay.
Adding a point into it, Sovi,
Yeah.
when
Yeah,
it
yeah.
comes to investing on Dwarka Expressway, especially with in sector 102, so Shapoorji Pallonji is the only developer who is developing any 2 BHK apartments in this sector. So we have very reputed neighbors around us like Adani, Emaar, BPDP, Conscient as well. So all these developers, the possession has already started for them, and they have only built 3-4 BHK and the penthouses. So probably when it comes to parking the investors' money for the next 3-4 years, we do have a small ticket size moving in the market around 950 square feet 2 BHK apartment costing around 75 to 80 odd lakhs. So
Correct.
these
Okay.
Correct.
particular options can always work as a catalyst while someone is probably trying to park his money in this particular location.
So I think this also gives an answer to the people who say that Gurgaon is only a high ticket size market. ऐसा नहीं है, because with smaller size available, I think one should look at Shapurji Pallonji as well.
Certainly.
Okay, yes, that's right. That's right. I've heard that Dwarka Expressway has very few 2 BHK units and all available with Shapoorji Pallonji. Yes.
That's correct.
Okay, so buyers are always cautious of investing in an under construction project, about deliveries, fittings being used, greenery, and whatnot. So, how Shapoorji Pallonji as a brand is addressing those doubts, Mr. Khanna?
Yeah. So as I mentioned in the introduction part as well, the Shapoorji Pallonji was established back in 1865. So it's primarily an engineering come real estate come infrastructure company. So as of now, our footprints have already been expanded to 60 odd countries, and almost 70,000 employees just like me are working for this company throughout the globe. And there have been many entities into the business who have probably come in as a particular company and then diversified to multiple businesses. For Shapoorji Pallonji, probably their heart, blood, and soul has always been real estate and infrastructure business. So even if we talk of our diversification, we do work with different private developers constructing their projects for them. We also work with different government bodies doing multiple national highway projects, shopping malls, hospitals, and we have done the same in different countries like Europe, Middle East, USA as well. So when it comes to probably backing on the company, this is one company, as I mentioned, has probably
Sorry.
set back on the policies they have been following. So these guys very strongly have a policy running for them which says a commitment means commitment, on time means on time, a promise is a promise. So when it comes to probably implementing all these policies in our further developments as well, so we are imbibing them strongly. And I'll just mention it here that when the lockdown times were happening, we probably arranged the lodging and the sanitized standards for the laborers who are working for us in this particular project named Joyville. So it was almost 1,200 odd laborers. So we arranged their sanitized camps, their fooding, everything was sponsored by us. So there were two thoughts behind it. One was those were probably the one of the worst times of our lives for most of the people. So we never wanted our labor to probably run away, and if at all they had gone, we could have never got them back in time. That would have also stalled our construction for many months. So keeping the human factor in touch as well as the construction deadlines we try to maintain and manage all these things. So considering all these factors, I'm very sure any investment being put by people in this company, there is no scope of getting any hanky panky things coming in, and we expect the delivery starting in next 14-15 months time, and we intend to deliver the entire project within 2025 and move further.
Wow, that's great. So with this, I would request Mr. Khanna to please walk us through the project presentation. Can we have the presentation on screen, please?
So this is the new launch which has come up in the month of Jan. So we have launched 2 new towers named masterpieces. And one of them is an exclusive 3 BHK tower, other is a typical 2 BHK tower. 3 BHK is called Iris and 2 BHK tower is AIM. So the earlier two phases we came up with, both of them were typical high-rise clusters. So the tower height over there was 20 and 26 floors. This time, the last two towers which we have opened, the height, we have launched them as a mid-rise structures. So the height goes now only up to 14 floors, G plus 14 for both the towers. So many people who at times are scared of probably going towards the heights can probably consider these options, and anything from fourth, fifth, sixth floor can be considered. Next slide, please. So in all, the development is happening in 18 acres, and we intend to have our building footprints in almost 25% of the entire land parcel. And we are developing 3.5 acres of central colorful gardens in the center of the complex. And the size of the clubhouse, which is going to cater to the families in the future, is 24,000 square feet, which will comprise of probably co-working spaces, indoors sports arcades coming in, a multi-purpose party hall catering to 150 odd family members, a 30-seat mini movie theater coming in. Then at the same time, there are two unique features which we have added in this particular project. One is the concept of pocket amenity spaces. So we don't construct apartments on the ground floor. So all the apartment spaces on the ground floor are being converted into pocket amenity spaces. So these amenities again cover almost 40,000 square feet area under the amenities. Next point is a concept of air purification system throughout the community. So we are installing 70 air purifiers in our common areas, lift lobbies, clubhouses, internal walking, jogging track, so that we can control the air purification levels throughout the community for all the family members in the longer run. Next slide. So this is an artistic image of the clubhouse. We have recently started the delivery of a property named Joyville in Kolkata. So it's in Howrah to be precise. So this image depicts the same size or same probably the facade of the clubhouse coming in, because it is the same size clubhouse. So it is probably the frontal view of the clubhouse. How will it look like when it gets started? Please move further. This is again taken from the same clubhouse of Joyville, Kolkata. And you can see probably an aerobics room, which is operational, like a completely operational gymnasium, a multi-purpose party hall, an AV room, and then the indoor games room, as well as the snooker table tennis games parlor. So this can give you a slight of hint how it's going to probably look like once the entire area gets developed. This is a frontal view of the property. So this, since the main entrance to the community is going to be almost 65 by 35 meters entry boulevard, and we have 3 different colorful theme gardens depicting yellow, green, and pinkish blue color in the future. Please move further. So as I mentioned, first, when it comes to probably taking care of your health, the very first factor which is going to help in is the concept of air purification throughout the community. And second would be a check on the noise pollution levels as well. So we are going to plant in some exotic tree species which have the capacity to absorb maximum oxygen coming in and control the air and noise pollution levels throughout. And we are developing open air gyms as well. Then we are developing co-working spaces as well. So we have tried to probably help the residents to have a balance between their work from home schedules when probably the position gets started. So if at all the 2 years down the line, when you start staying in the community and you're still working from home, you can always go down from your apartment using your elevator and enjoy the co-working space on the ground floor of your tower itself. Please move. So since it's a concept which we call a future inspired living. So when it comes to future living, we have done tie-up with Reliance Jio at 2 levels. One is the provision of Jio Giga Fiber cabling. So all the internal Wi-Fi connection, DTH, internet, everything will be done by us. There is no need to probably do any separate wiring or cabling connection for the houses. Same time, we have tried to keep a check on the safety aspects of all the family members. So we are installing few features like a panic alarm button, fire detectors, gas leakage detectors, video door phones. All these things come into play if at all there is anyone who is unattended at home, or anyone is isolated at home, and any other family member is out for work or maybe some personal work. So you can always have a safety check and a close watch on the family members who are left alone at home. Next slide, please. Location wise, I will probably not spend much time over it again, but as Deepak already explained in details about Sector 102 and the history of Expressway as well, just 2 points to be highlighted. One is we have a proposed Huda Park of almost 100 acres right in front of the community. So this is going to be probably a zero construction zone right in the front of the property. Secondly, we are almost 700 meters away from Dwarka Expressway and almost 1.5 kilometers away from 75 meters sector road. So location wise, we will always be 15-20 minutes drive from Delhi and the other side towards Jaipur Mumbai highway. Lastly, we are already surrounded by some reputed schools like DPS, Prime Scholars, Sun City School, Imperial Heritage School, and AIMS Jhajjar, which is already a running cancer OPD institute, is almost 25 minutes away from this place. And we still have many more developments coming nearby. Let's move further. So this is our typical master development plan. So it's 18 acres, which is being developed in 3 phases. And there are 2 towers which are highlighted in yellow here. So these 2 towers have been the new launches. And one of them is a typical 2 BHK, other is a 3 BHK tower. As I mentioned in the previous slide, it's going to be a typical mid-rise cluster coming in, only 14 floors tower high. So if you're opting, if the family has a choice of a sun-facing apartment, I want my balconies to be south and east facing, and I want the central gardens view as well. That's also possible. Same time, if I'm a particular bunch of customer who probably would want to save on the preferential location charges, then I'll offer you something towards the outer side, which will always open towards BPDP Amstoria. So Amstoria is a low-rise township, only 2 to 3 floors are going to come in. So if at all I'm comfortable that side, we can always enjoy a skyline with while saving some PLC charges and enjoy the view, enjoy the second half sun of the day. Move further, please. So these are the configurations we are looking at. So there have been 2 launches under 2 BHK sizes. One is a 915 square feet and the second one is almost 1215 square feet. The smaller one falls in a price bracket from 75 to 80 lakhs all inclusive. The bigger one falls in a price bracket from 96 lakhs to 1 CR all inclusive. And we do have 2 variants available in 3 BHK. Smaller one is 1692 square feet and the bigger one is 1852. So both fall in a price range from 135. And the smaller one is a 135, bigger one falls around 148 to 150 all inclusive. When I'm quoting all inclusive, that covers almost everything, includes GST as well. The only exclusion is the registry cost, which happens post possession. So this has been the main highlighter for us. And many nuclear families, many newlywed couples, a family of 3 members probably, they always eye on this particular size, a 2 BHK Delight. Have been the showstopper for us. It was launched in phase 1, almost 30 units, stand sold out. Phase 2 also, it was launched again, almost 40 units, stand sold out again. This particular launch, which when we did, we have increased the number of units to 60, of which we have already sold almost 38 apartments in last 1.5 months. So we still have last probably 15 to 18 units bracket available in this particular size. So any nuclear families, vis-a-vis investors who probably want to play in a range of 70 to 80 lakhs, this will be an exciting option for most of them. Move further, please. A regular 2 BHK 215 square feet meant to cater a regular family size of almost 4 family members. And this comes with 2 bedroom, 2 toilet and 3 balconies option. Please move further. 3 BHK has got 2 sizes. This is the smaller variant, 1692, 3 bedroom, 3 toilet with 3 balconies. And let's move further. This is the biggest variant with us. Whenever probably we meet in person and whenever you get time to visit us physically, we can show you around this sample flat, which is available in our sales office. So it is there for 1852 square feet, and this comes with a carpet area of almost 1320 square feet. So in this particular apartment, we do have 3 different views available. We do have few apartments where probably if you're sitting on height of 18 to 20 floors or maybe higher, you can always enjoy a running view of Dwarka Expressway in the future. At the same time, you can also enjoy a view of the Huda Reserve Greenbelt in the future from few of the apartments. And we do have few apartments facing towards the city view, towards Amstoria, that can also be considered as per the family's taste, and few available units in the central garden and clubhouse facing as well. Let's conclude. Please move further. And all the options which I mentioned right away, either it's a 2 BHK apartment or 3 BHK apartment. Whenever we promote something in joint association with PropTiger, we always come up with few bundle of offers running with it. So in this particular case, either you opt for a 2 BHK apartment or 3 BHK apartment, as per the standard norms. So it's going to be a fully air conditioned apartment. So 2 BHK apartment comes fitted with 3 split air conditioner units in the apartment. 3 BHK apartment comes with 4 split air conditioner installed inside. And it's going to be semi-modular kitchen. So we are going to put up Godrej interior modular cabinets in the kitchen for all the variants, either it's a 2 or 3 BHK. And we are going to put up CAF fixtures in form of some hob or chimney fixtures coming in. So kitchen fittings are done, ACs are done, all bedrooms come fitted with laminated wooden flooring. All washrooms will be fully loaded at our end again. So it's more of a fully furnished apartment, probably you can quote it like that. The only exclusion is the woodwork in the bedrooms, which is supposed to happen at the end of the customer. We can probably flip it and move further. This is regarding the Joyville, which has been developed and delivered in different locations, which I covered in the initial part of the interaction as well. So, and these have been few of the highlights. So we have been there across the globe. Delhi Barakalma Metro Station, Gurgaon DLF Cyber City, Delhi Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium have been few of the landmark developments which are already delivered by Shahpurji Panoji. This would cover it all. Let's move further, Subi, and let's take up some questions.
Yeah. Thank you for the such elaborative presentation. I just have last 2 questions. First, what is the down payment that the buyer has to pay? And second, which banks you have tied up with for home loan, Mr. Khanna?
Okay, answering the first bit of the question, first of all, to begin their interest towards the property, when probably someone approaches us through PropTiger, they can probably start the transaction by only paying us a small token amount of 51,000 rupees. That will help them to block that particular unit when the PropTiger is offering it to them, maybe as a special offer, maybe when it probably comes to offering them on special events organized by us. Otherwise, the booking amount remains 10%. Whenever the 10% amount gets realized, it's very easy for us to probably issue the builder-buyer agreement for the customers, because most of the people approaching us are end users. So, most of them will have a requirement of immediate home loans. So once that 10% gets realized, after that, they can probably approach their respective banks and get the home loan approved for them. Otherwise, they can start the transaction only by paying a token amount of 51,000 rupees. And answering the second bit of the question, we already have most of the leading financial institutions with us on board. So if anyone wishes to approach probably SBI, maybe Canara Bank, Bank of Baroda, and they are already with us. And if someone is more comfortable approaching the private banks, in that case, HDFC is there, Axis, ICICI, Kotak is also there. So we have a platter where we have most of the bankers already available with us.
Okay, all right. Well, that was all we had time for today. Don't worry, our property experts are just one call away. Before we wrap up, I would like to thank our panelists for joining us today and our viewers for watching. Feel free to drop in your queries on our social media channels. We'll see you soon in the next episode of our Right to Home webinar. Till then, take care and happy home buying.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.